Hi everyone, welcome to the Droid G channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix Android phone keeps turning on and off issue. When you are using your mobile phone to do something, the Samsung mobile phone suddenly turns on and off automatically, which will cause you a lot of trouble, and you may need to start over from the beginning of the work that is about to be completed. While you may be confused why the problem persists and not sure what to do, the good news is that you can fix it yourself. If you replace the battery with a new one, the phone keeps turning on and off. The phone keeps turning on and off while charging. Samsung Galaxy turns on but then turns off immediately. The Samsung phone started to turn on and off repeatedly when it got in water. Screen turning on randomly. Samsung mobile phone randomly turning off. Please join me in understanding why the problem occurs. Why does my Samsung phone turn on and off by itself? There was an error with an application you recently installed. The update of the application or Samsung mobile phone system that is being downloaded is terminated. The phone battery temperature is too high. The battery connection is incorrect. Not enough storage space. Samsung mobile phones may be turned on and off repeatedly if the hardware of the Samsung mobile phone is damaged due to water ingress. How to fix Samsung keeps turning on and off. Today's video can help you to solve the problem of Samsung phone keeps turning on and off. If the following methods are helpful to you, you can click subscribe to get the latest news. Method 1 is to try to force restart your phone. If your Samsung phone keeps turning itself on and off, the first fix to try is to force restart your Samsung phone. Force restart works in most cases. The combination button on Samsung phones is the power button and the volume down button. To perform a force restart, press and hold the phone's combination button for 10 to 15 seconds until it vibrates, or you can let go when you see the Samsung icon. After letting go, please wait patiently for the Samsung phone to restart successfully to see if the problem is resolved. Method 2 is to check the storage space and clean up the space. Low storage space, high CPU usage and too many background processes can make your phone restart indefinitely. To make sure this isn't the cause of the problem, we recommend that you free up your phone's memory and storage. Follow the steps below to check your phone's storage space. Open the phone settings, find the General Management option on the phone settings interface and click it. Enter the General Management interface, find and click Storage. On the storage page you can see the usage and remaining storage space of your device. When the remaining space is less than 10%, your phone may start to turn on and off repeatedly. Please clean up the storage space of your Samsung phone at this time. Method 3 is to disable/adjust the scheduled power on/off. The reason why your Samsung mobile phone keeps turning on and off may be that you have wrongly adjusted the on and off timer settings. It is also possible that the auto power off setting keeps powering off your Samsung phone. You need to disable the auto switch function. Please open the settings on the Samsung mobile phone, enter the setting interface, find and click the General Management interface. To enter the General Management interface, find and click the Reset option on the General Management interface, select the Automatic Power On/Off option in the Reset interface, and enter this interface. Turn off the Auto Power On/Off button of your Samsung phone. After shutting down, use the phone normally to check whether the phone is back to normal. Method 4 is to charge the phone. It is possible that the main culprit causing the phone to automatically shut down and restart may be a dead battery. Your phone needs a lot of battery power to work. Otherwise, it won't work at all, or it will keep turning off when you keep turning it on. At this point, please find your original charger and plug in your phone. Let the phone charge for at least an hour. Please turn on the phone when the power is sufficient to see if the phone still turns on and off. Method 5 is to update the Samsung mobile phone operating system. When the Samsung mobile phone operating system has not been updated for a long time, the old version system has been used. There can be some issues with your device, and Samsung phone keeps turning on and off repeatedly is one of them. Follow the next steps to check for and install the latest updates for your phone. Please open the mobile phone settings, find the software update, enter the software update interface, and check whether there is a Samsung mobile phone version that needs to be updated. If so, please charge the mobile phone while updating the Samsung mobile phone version. This is to ensure that there is enough battery to update the Samsung phone version. After the update is complete, check to see if the phone will restart by itself. Method 6 is to enter Samsung Safe Mode. If the above methods don't work on your Samsung phone, there may be an issue with an app. At this point, please run your Samsung phone in Safe Mode. Safe Mode makes the phone run without any third-party apps. Please follow the steps below to enter Safe Mode. Press and hold the phone's power button. Once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, release the power button and hold the volume down button. Wait until your phone finishes restarting, and Safe Mode will appear in the lower left corner of your screen after the restart is complete. Please check to see if your Samsung phone turns on and off automatically in Safe Mode. If you are able to get back to the home screen at this point, there may be an issue with an app that you need to find and remove. Method 7 is to wipe the cache partition. Wiping the cache partition of your Samsung phone might solve the Samsung phone keeps turning on and off issue. Follow the steps below to enter recovery mode. Turn off the phone and connect the phone to the computer with a USB data cable. After connecting, Press and hold the volume up button and the power button until the recovery mode interface appears on the screen. In the recovery mode interface, use the volume up and volume down buttons to select up and down. Please select the wipe cache partition option. Use the power key again to confirm it. After confirming, please wait patiently for your phone to finish clearing the cache. After clearing the cache, please restart the phone to see if the Samsung phone is back to normal. Method 8 is to restore factory settings. If wiping the cache partition still doesn't work for you, there is also an option in the recovery mode interface that might help you fix the constant opening and closing issue. You need to factory reset your Samsung phone. Before performing this method, please back up the necessary data. Please connect your phone to your computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You can let go while seeing the recovery mode screen. From the Samsung recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once done, it will take you back to the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen. Please check again if the Samsung phone will automatically power off and on. Method 9 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all the above methods, but the phone still turns off and on automatically, then please take your phone to a Samsung store to have your Samsung phone checked and repaired by a professional. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.